Cut out the Navigator template along the black outline. Fold the template 90 degrees at the dashed line and place front end at the back edge of the ski handle notch. To keep the template from moving, place a piece of tape on the template to hold to the ski. Locate both template holes with crosshairs. Starting with either, align center punch and crosshair and use a hammer to leave an indent. Repeat for the remaining holes. Remove the template and locate the indents on the ski. Using a drill with a 1/8 inch bit, align the indent and carefully create pilot holes in each location. Change the drill bit to 7/16 inch and re-drill the hole labeled 7/16 on the template. Use caution to avoid catching. Change the drill bit to 5/16 and re-drill the remaining hole labeled 5/16 on the template. Remove any burrs with the deburring tool. Install the Navigator by inserting its tip at a 90-degree angle into the front hole, following the curve of the tip until the plate sits flat along the ski bottom. Insert the bolt through the Navigator plate in the remaining ski hole. Place a spacer on the bolt, followed by the lock nut. Hand tighten using a 3/16 inch Allen wrench. Keeping the Allen wrench inserted, use a ratchet or impact drill with a 1/2 inch socket to tighten the Navigator until it sits firmly against the ski bottom. Due to contour variations of skis or potential existing ski wear, a slight gap may exist between the Navigator and ski bottom. This is not an issue as long as the Navigator is installed and tightened properly.